For some reason, nature is able to do a level of bookkeeping in the background with quantum states that we don't fully know how it does it. Nature does this bookkeeping that's so computationally impossible for us to do today, right? And that's where like ideas of the multiverse and multiverse interpretation comes in and so on.
Right.
Where people will say, well, nature's not actually storing it anywhere. It's actually just distributed across different universes.
We have a sense of where it gets stored.
But these are
there's
just
a way in which
guesses.
quantum computing sort of simulates nature more accurately and so can store more.
Exactly.
But do we have a sense of how the computing is storing either, or that's also somewhat of a black box where...
Complete black box.
That's
we
pretty
can
crazy.
engineer them, but we have no fucking clue why it works.
Wow, that's pretty nutty.